Hello, friends. This problem looks simple, but 99% of people get it wrong. Most students break it into groups. They think 2 divided by 2 and calculate the answer as 1. But that is completely wrong. It's a trap. Correct rule: when all signs are the same, division, we always go from left to right. First, solve only the first two numbers. 6 divided by 3. The answer is 2. Now our equation becomes 2 divided by 6 divided by 3. Next pair, 2 divided by 6. This is interesting. 2 is smaller than 6, so this becomes a fraction, 1/3. Now we are left with 1/3 divided by 3. To divide a fraction, we change division to multiplication and flip the number. So, 1 divided by 3 times 1 divided by 3 equals 1 divided by 9. That is the correct answer. In decimals, this is approximately 0.111. Now it's your turn. Remember the rule: left to right. Comment your answer.